Hey there, Linux enthusiasts and React fans. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the world of open source, technology, and explore the latest trends and tools. I'm your host, Devnal, and today we're going to tackle a topic that's been requested by many of you, setting up a React app on Linux. First, open terminal. Here we will run all the commands. First, create a new directory using the dir command. Let's go into that directory by using change directory command. We are going to use Vite for installing React. Here is the documentation you can read and more explore Vite. Copy this command and paste it in terminal.